Dreaming of a real estate empire, starting from scratch to billionaire status? It's possible.
First, lay a solid foundation. Immerse yourself in real estate education. Understand market dynamics, legalities, and various investment strategies.
Thorough market research is crucial. Identify promising locations.
Don't overwhelm yourself. Find your niche: residential, commercial, rentals.
Securing initial capital is a major hurdle. Explore financing options.
Think private lenders, partnerships, even seller financing. Your first property is the critical step. Start small, learn big. Rigorously analyze every deal. Look for undervaluation, appreciation potential. Build a powerful network. Connect with agents, contractors, investors, and mentors. A good mentor accelerates learning, prevents costly mistakes.
As you grow, build a reliable team. You can't do it all alone.
Property managers, legal advisors, skilled contractors are key roles. Crucially, reinvest your profits. Don't pull out cash too early. Let your capital compound, allowing your portfolio to grow exponentially. Once you have a steady income stream, scale up. Acquire more properties. Diversify your portfolio across different asset classes and geographic locations. This spreads risk and stabilizes your overall returns. Consider moving into property development for higher returns, but also higher risk. Explore commercial real estate, office buildings, retail spaces, industrial properties. Learn advanced strategies like syndications, REITs, or even land banking. Understand market cycles. Buy low, sell high. Patience is a virtue. The real estate landscape is always changing. Commit to continuous learning. Adapt to new technologies, regulations, and economic shifts. Maintain strict financial discipline. Track every expense and revenue stream. Think long-term. Billionaire status isn't built overnight. It's a marathon. Be resilient. You will face setbacks, but perseverance is crucial. As you achieve success, consider giving back to your community. Build a legacy that extends beyond wealth. Make a positive impact. Cultivate a billionaire mindset. Think big, take calculated risks, and never stop innovating. The journey to becoming a real estate billionaire is challenging, but incredibly rewarding. Start today, stay focused, and build your real estate empire one smart decision at a time.